Regards, my name is Karen Parra. I present postcard to my sister of my travel for one of the 7 wonders of the world. Dear sister Katy, I'm at the city of Cusco, Peru, and on a tour of one of the 7 world wonders, Machu Picchu. As you can see in the picture, this place is in the northwest of Cusco. It's very kind open air city built by the Incas. It's a spectacular place where I felt very happy. It's half felt me to think there are many trees, mountains, and torrents. I'd like you to come and visit it. It's a great place where you can get in touch with nature, where you can find trinkets and lots of history due to the East building. Most of the ruins of the ancient Incas. It's impossible that you find something you don't like here, where you can visual Aboriginal cultures, the Indian tribes where our ruins come from. Conformity regarding clothing is important. So I'm wearing a t-shirt, a pair of loose jeans, and a sneaker. To also got a cap because of the sun's wearing. Hope to see you soon, and that's my next visit be beside you. Sincerely yours, your sister Karen Parra. Thank you.